Go. This is a bit of a tutorial on changing the pads on a 350Z. Goddamn 350Z. When I looked online, there were some fancy videos that had all loads of music and bollocks. This is actually doing the job. So, actual stand underneath the car. Well, I've jacked it up. Obviously, if you don't do that, you're a loony, or you won't have no toes left. Both the little split pins out of the brake main pin. Hunky dory. Pins both quite loose. Pop in, pop out from that way. All I've done is give me a clean off of brake cleaner and a little lube everywhere. Not Lawrence, but just with a bit of WD-40. Other brands are available. Hold it down, pull the pin out, maybe with a pair of pliers. Hunky dory. Put the pin safe in a little pot, upside down can pot. Pull out the anti-shake thing, leave that there. That hand. Pull that out, hunky dory. Both the hand, not lost. Small screwdriver. I've got the bonnet pops, keeping an eye on the brake reservoir, making sure that none of the fluid comes over the top of the cap. If you know how to do that, you know that's the right way. Bit of brake cleaner around things so they all free off the old brake dust crap. Give me a little cloth. Sorry. By the way, this is a D&M production. A little clean up some of the shit. I prefer to do one, pushing one pad at a time, just to ease back the pistons. Rocky. This is the Brembo twin piston set. Once again, it's not hard, it's just a case of make sure they go back in. You muller up a little bit of the old pad, but that don't matter. The inside one is the one with the sound bar. That's one gives a little wear rub when it's acoustic rub, when the brake pad's worn down. Genuine Brembo pads into the Brembo discs. Everyone's got their preference. You go online, everyone tells you this is the best one, this is the best one, this is the best one. These ones I've got from the manufacturer, they're Brembo. They're not going to be bad, are they, to be honest? I'm not completely using it for track work or anything like that. Not quite gone back far enough. Speed and haste. Pop that back in. Actually what I'll do is give it a little bit of lubrication on the rubber so nothing splits or jars or things rust off. Back in. Smaller screwdriver. So let's go back that a little bit more. Yeah, Miami Workshop all over the show. There you go, they're nicely back now. So I will get one side of the caliper back first, pop these in. Oh, a little bit of the copper spray on the back, might stop a squirrel, might not, who knows. General sort of rule of thumb, always do that. Pop it in. Also makes it easy to get out the next time. I'll just pop the pins in the back just to hold them in place. I'm not going right through yet. Right, now we'll attack the other side. Oh, I'll go and just squish the brake pad very slowly, very gently, just to bring them back out, so when I pull these ones back, I'm not displacing too much brake fluid back into the reservoir. When I gave the pedal a little push, in the cabin there. I go very minute pushes. I don't push it all the way down to the floor. You don't want the pedal, the master cylinder, going down in its bore to somewhere it doesn't usually go, thus picking up crap or corrosion in the bore and potentially ripping seals in your master cylinder. But that's my opinion, and things I've always sort of done it. That slips in nice. We know it goes in nice. Once again, give it a little bit of copper slip on the back. Pop it in. Hunky dory. Little tapping. I might be once again might not be back far enough. There's no harm giving it another. I don't like going too far back. Right, that's better, back into place. That one across to its locating pin there, so the little nose has come through the hole. Make sure you get round the right way so you can see the hole for the split pin. That goes in, so the right angle bit goes against the edge of the caliper. Can't find the hole. Right, that's gone in. Get your anti-rattle thing. Push that across. That's gone through. Might need a little tap with your improvised hammer. Let's get it in the right plane so the hole's in position. Yep, that's good. That's right through. Hunky dory. Once again, that's clipped in with the edge against the body of the caliper. That is your brake pads changed. I'll now go into the cabin and give the brake pedal a very little squeeze. Once again, just making the brake pads, the foot pedal squeeze, make the brake pads meet the disc. Put the wheel back on and torque it up. That is as simple as that, with no fancy music and production sounds. Thanks for watching. Take care.